Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. And if you would take the time to subscribe, that would be great. And give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever you prefer. I have my Heaven panties. They got a little crushed up in the mailbox, but here they are. And this outer package is how they come, so no one would ever know that you were getting panties in the mail. And Heaven panties, the way that it works, is very nice, actually. I have a link below. If you're interested, you can join under me. If you join under me, I believe you get $13 credit, and I think actually you get $20 credit, and I get $20 credit. And then if you sign up for one pair a month, they have several different plans. They have a couple of pairs a month, that type of thing. You will pay $13 a month. And the thing about that is you get your $13 back because it goes into your credits, and you can shop in their shop. And they have beautiful panties and beautiful bras, and they have some sets, and you can use that money to shop in there. So it's really almost like getting the panties for free. And I believe you start off with a $20 credit from joining under me. So you get a stylist. You will go through a questionnaire that asks you some questions, and you can change that up at any time. So if you like a particular style of panty and then in a year or so you change your mind, you can do that. So this is what you get inside that envelope. You get a nice bag like this, and it has a little peek of the color of what your panties are going to look like. For some reason, the cats are coming up. So this is a nice bag. It's a good reusable bag. It is a Ziploc, and it's sealed up here at the top. All right, Blue, go on through, love. Go on through. He's been very busy today, staying right near me. So these are, let's see the panties on here. These are pretty. They do have a new sizing chart, so check that out. If you already are a member, you might want to check that out. And I think I need to check that out when I look at these. These are very similar to what I got last month, I think. Oh, they're cute. I'm so sorry. I didn't know that her tail was in the way. These are super cute. They are, I was going to say they're seamless, but they're not. This little edging is a little bit rubberized so that it will stay on you. And it has a great stretch to it. And this is a ribbing. It's a really beautiful color, like a, it's like a green, a slate kind of a green. It's not quite gray. And it's more like a boy short, I would say, because also that elastic is around the legs. So there is cotton where you need it, and right there. And these are super cute. It's like a nice brief, Here's the back. And then here is the front. And that is my Heaven panties. So like I said, if you're interested at all in this, you can check. You can use the link and just go look and see what you might, if you're interested. They have plus size. I'm a plus size. And they have, you know, all different sizes. So, and like I said, they recently changed their sizing. So check them out. They have real sexy types of underwear, underpants, and bras and things like that. And then they also have more neutral, like this pair is here. And they have a lot of pretty lacy type things. I have many panties from them that are lacy, but they're very, very comfortable. The lace never itches. Their lace is so soft and it stretches. So check them out if you're interested. And y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.